Love is a choice, a reflection on M. Scott Peck's The Road Less Traveled. Hi everyone. When people talk about love, most of us imagine that light, exciting feeling like butterflies in our stomach, or that sense of comfort when someone understands us. But after learning about Dr. M. Scott Peck's book, The Road Less Traveled, I realized something deeper. Love isn't really just a feeling, it's a decision. It's something we do. According to M. Scott Peck, love is the will to extend oneself for the purpose of nurturing one's own or another spiritual growth. That means love takes effort. It's not effortless or automatic like falling in love. It's about choosing to help someone grow, even when it's hard, even when it's inconvenient, and even when you don't feel like it. In today's world, we often confuse love with comfort or pleasure, but Peck reminds us that real love sometimes hurts because it challenges us to become better. When we truly love someone, we don't just say what they want to hear. We say what helps them grow. When we truly love ourselves, we don't just give in to what feels good. We discipline ourselves to do what's right. That's what makes love an act of courage and commitment, not just emotion. I think this message is very important today, especially when relationships, families, and even friendships often end easily when things get difficult. Love aspect describes it. Ask us stay to ask us to stay present, to keep trying, and to keep caring, even when the feeling fades. Because real love is not just about being happy; it's about helping each other become whole. If you all practice this kind of love, the kind that is honest, patient, responsible, and self-giving, I truly believe our world, our world would be more peaceful. Imagine if people love not just for personal gain, but to genuinely nurture others, maybe with a less hate, less selfishness, and more compassion in our homes, schools, and communities. So, to everyone watching this, I hope you remember love is not what you fall into, it's what you decide to do every single day. Love is discipline, love is growth. And when we love this way, we don't just change someone's life, we change the world a little at a time. Thank you for listening, and may we all choose to love truly and purposely.